Clutter in your home, office, or property can quickly become overwhelming. Whether you're clearing out after a renovation, decluttering for a move, or managing an estate, having a reliable junk removal service can make all the difference. For Austin residents, Austin Central P.W. and Junk Removal Company offers affordable, efficient, and customer-focused solutions to tackle any junk removal project with ease. Here's why Austin Central P.W. and Junk Removal Company is the go-to choice for affordable junk removal services in Austin. Comprehensive junk removal services. Austin Central P.W. and Junk Removal Company provides a wide range of services to meet the diverse needs of Austin residents. From small residential cleanouts to large-scale commercial projects, their team is equipped to handle it all. Services include residential junk removal. Clear out garages, attics, basements, and entire homes quickly and affordably. Commercial cleanouts. Remove unwanted office furniture, electronics, and debris from commercial spaces. Construction debris removal. Safely and efficiently dispose of construction waste like drywall, wood, and scrap metal. Yard waste removal. Get rid of landscaping debris, tree branches, and other outdoor clutter. No matter the size or scope of the project, Austin Central P.W. and Junk Removal Company ensures your space is left clean and clutter-free. Affordable pricing with no hidden fees. Affordability is a key concern for many Austin residents when choosing a junk removal service. Austin Central P.W. and Junk Removal Company stands out by offering transparent, upfront pricing with no hidden fees. They provide free, no-obligation estimates, so you know exactly what to expect. Their pricing is competitive, ensuring that you get high-quality service without breaking the bank. By tailoring their solutions to your specific needs, they help you save money while delivering exceptional results. Eco-friendly practices. As a company committed to sustainability, Austin Central P.W. and Junk Removal Company takes an eco-conscious approach to junk removal. They prioritize recycling, donating, and repurposing items whenever possible, reducing waste that ends up in landfills. Recycling. Materials like metal, paper, and electronics are sorted and sent to appropriate recycling facilities. Donations. Usable furniture, clothing, and appliances are donated to local charities, benefiting the community. Responsible disposal. Hazardous materials and items that cannot be recycled are disposed of safely and in compliance with local regulations. By choosing this company, you're not only clearing your space but also contributing to a cleaner, greener Austin. Convenient and efficient service. Austin Central P.W. and Junk Removal Company is known for its fast and efficient service. Their team arrives on time, works quickly, and ensures that the job is completed to your satisfaction. With flexible scheduling options, they make it easy to fit junk removal into your busy life. Their process is straightforward and hassle-free. Free estimate. Contact them for a no-obligation quote based on the volume and type of items you need removed. Schedule service. Choose a convenient time for the removal. Efficient removal. Their team handles all the heavy lifting, loading, and cleanup, leaving your space spotless. With their streamlined approach, you can reclaim your space in no time. Experienced and professional team The team at Austin Central P.W and Junk Removal Company is experienced, courteous, and dedicated to delivering exceptional customer service. They handle your belongings with care and ensure that the removal process is stress-free from start to finish. Their professionalism and attention to detail set them apart, making them a trusted partner for junk removal projects of all sizes. Tailored solutions for every budget. Whether you're tackling a small decluttering project or a large-scale cleanup, Austin Central P.W and Junk Removal Company offers tailored solutions to fit your needs and budget. They work with you to create a customized plan, ensuring that you only pay for the services you need. For Austin homeowners, renters, and businesses, this flexibility makes them an affordable and reliable choice. Local expertise you can trust. As a locally owned and operated company, Austin Central P.W and Junk Removal Company understands the unique needs of the Austin community. Their knowledge of local regulations, recycling facilities, and donation centers ensures that your junk is handled responsibly and efficiently. By supporting a local business, you're also contributing to the growth and sustainability of the Austin economy. Conclusion: when it comes to affordable and efficient junk removal solutions, Austin Central P.W and Junk Removal Company is the name Austin residents trust. With comprehensive services, transparent pricing, eco-friendly practices, and a commitment to customer satisfaction, they make clearing out clutter easier than ever. Don't let junk take over your space. Contact Austin Central P.W and Junk Removal Company today for a free estimate and experience the benefits of professional, affordable junk removal. Whether you're cleaning up your home, office, or construction site, they're here to help you reclaim your space and restore peace of mind.